Hey, welcome to Art2, a channel to help you sell your art online. In today's video, we're going to discuss setting up your Redbubble shop and getting ready for the holiday season. If you love creating art and also love the holidays, then you'll be happy to know that you can upload your seasonal or Christmas artwork to Redbubble. This website is a platform for artists to sell their work, so if you have any holiday themed art that you want to sell, make sure you upload it to Redbubble. Many sellers experience a spike in sales over the final 3 months of the year, which translates into higher profit for their Redbubble designs. The Christmas season is one of the busiest times of the year for many businesses, but did you know that it can also be your most profitable time on Redbubble? If you take the time to prepare your designs and promote your products well, you can see a drastic increase in sales. During the holidays, a lot of people visit and look at artwork on Redbubble. This leads to a rush of views and sales every year. I've been putting a lot of time and effort into creating greeting card designs and getting them uploaded to Redbubble. As Christmas approaches, I've devoted my time to designing festival apparel and housewares. One of my designs from last year went viral and became a big seller for me. You may have an amazing holiday season if you take the time to make sure your profile page looks excellent and all of your artwork appears fantastic on a variety of items. Artists who want to keep their profile interesting and up to date often post designs for the fall, winter, spring, or beginning of summer, or for the holidays, Christmas or Hanukkah, for example. By posting seasonal artwork, you show your audience that you're always working and making art and that you're interested in your design process and the work of others. Sharing your works for sale on social media not only reminds people that you have a shop, which is great, but it also keeps your fans thinking about you. Don't be afraid to start doing this regularly now, as the holidays approach. Redbubble is a great site for finding inspiration for your holiday designs. There are a variety of artists with different styles, and you're sure to find something that you like. Take a look at what holiday designs they're uploading and get inspired. That's how I come up with new ideas and create unique works of my own from the inspiration I get from others. You should also keep in mind that it'll take some time for your designs to rank in search results on both the Redbubble site and through search engines. Because of this, I release new Christmas and holiday designs on a regular basis throughout the year. I don't anticipate that they will sell during the summer. However, when it's time for consumers to start shopping for holiday themes, mine will be available and they'll rank high in the search results. If you're someone who makes greeting cards, you may promote your designs to individuals such as real estate agents or other professionals who send out a significant number of cards around the holiday season. You might make them an offer to personalize the design with their name or the name of the business or the company, and then direct them to a link on Redbubble after you've completed that design, and they can place their order through Redbubble. And you'll be able to deactivate that design in your shop and begin working on it for another customer and repeat the process. That will ensure you that you get a large number of cards ordered through your link and that you're personalizing it specifically for those people, which is an added touch. If you reach out to different professionals in your community, that is something that they do spend money on, and they appreciate that extra effort of having that unique design that they can send to their customers. There is a market for humorous Christmas designs. Don't be scared to develop them. In general, the designs that are most successful for me in terms of sales are the ones that contain humor. If you're not excellent at coming up with humorous things, check out what other people are uploading for inspiration and then create an original design based on what you see. In the past couple of years, I've made a killing on Redbubble during the holidays, and this year's no different. If you want to make more money on Redbubble during the holiday season, here are a few extra tips that you can follow. Make sure your designs are Christmas themed. This might seem like the obvious one, but you'd be surprised how many people forget to do this. They'll add some Christmas words to a t-shirt, for example, but they don't add any graphics or anything to make it more unique and more part of the season, and then they fail to sell that design. So be inspired by some of the designs that you see on the site and take a look at what other people are uploading so that you can kind of get an idea and feel of what might be successful for you. Promote your designs heavily in the lead up to Christmas. Use social media, forums, blogs, whatever platform you have access to. Use relevant keywords in your description and tags. This will help people find your design when they're searching for Christmas gifts. Offer discounts and promotions around Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Redbubble regularly runs promotions, so make sure you pay attention to the emails they send you so that you can inform your followers about the latest discount codes and sales. If you want to make more money on Redbubble over the Christmas holiday season, one way to do so is to put some of the advice in this video into practice. An increase in revenue is virtually guaranteed to result from minimal additional work on your part. Begin right away to bring in some additional income in time for the holidays. If you enjoyed today's video and have not already subscribed, do it now so you don't miss the next video. And if you give us a like on this video, it's always appreciated. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.